I really want to stick with that. Let's get ready for spring, summer vibe. So I'm going to show you how to make a foaming sugar scrub. The cool thing about foaming sugar scrubs is they actually wash while they exfoliate. So really a double duty product that we're making today. One of the most important things that we can do for our skin is to exfoliate. So I thought this would be a nice project to make. It is super easy. Let's dive in. Let's learn about all the ingredients, everything like that. So the base of this recipe is going to be made with a foaming bath whip. I do have a video on that, so I'll see if I can link it somewhere. I don't know where it actually links in the screen on the top of my head, but I can link that for you if you would like. I'm actually using a store-bought one in this video, but either is fine. It's the same difference. So the foaming bath whip is going to be what gives us the foaming properties of this scrub. So the cool thing about it is it washes while it exfoliates. So you're really doing two things at once. You're exfoliating the dead skin and you're washing it off of your body. To thin this out a little bit, I add a little bit of a carrier oil. This is where you want to use like the least expensive ones that you have. So don't use your pricey oils in this one. Use a cheap one because this is going to wash off. I just didn't want it to be drying, right? We're doing all this work to hydrate and exfoliate and all of the stuff. I wanted to add a little bit of oil in just to make it a little bit hydrating for your skin, so not to dry it out. The next ingredient that we use, absolutely one of my favorite ingredients, is sugar, and it's as simple as it's an amazing exfoliator. It's gentle on your skin, it rinses off so it's not going to clog your pipes or anything like that. And then I wanted to have a little bit of fun with this too. So adding a little bit of purple and blue I thought would be amazing, and then choosing your favorite fragrance oil really allows you to customize this easy. Without further ado, let's dive in. Let's make our foaming sugar scrub. For our foaming sugar scrub, we have our foaming bath whip, granulated sugar, apricot kernel oil, fragrance oil, and some mica powder. Go ahead and grab a mixing container, and we're going to add the foaming bath whip, we're also going to add our apricot kernel oil, and we're going to add the fragrance oil. Now you could probably just mix this by hand, but I actually prefer to hop in with a hand mixer. Now that we have that mixed up, we're going to add our sugar. And I'm just going to hit it with a hand mixer one more time just to get everything mixed up really well. So now what we want to do is just come in, we're going to split this between two containers. I don't bother weighing it out or anything, I just do roughly half. To one container I'm going to add the blue, to the other I'm going to add the purple. And then I'm just going to come in, get that color, get that color all over my hands. Get it mixed in there. Because these are mixing together anyways, I don't worry too much about cleaning my spatula in between the two. Now what I'm going to do is grab my piping bag, get it into a cup. You don't need a piping bag necessarily, because as you can tell, it's not like these are going to hold their shape, right? The consistency is not going to allow us to hold the shape. It's just more to get a nicer color swirl. So if you don't have a piping bag, that's completely fine. I'm going to do on the edge a scoop of blue. And I'm going to go around the piping bag doing blue, then a purple. Next to the purple, I'm going to do another blue. And we're just going to kind of layer the colors. Very carefully, we're going to pull this out. And you want to be careful because it's going to want to ooze out. grab our container. And we're going to pipe it in. This is why I said you don't necessarily need the piping bag. It just helps with mixing the colors a little bit. And there are your finished foaming whipped sugar scrubs. And I love the way it kind of mixed together, but not really. But there is your final consistency. Now to use your sugar scrub and to kind of show you how it works, you're just going to take a small amount of the sugar scrub, put it on your body, skin, hands, whatever you're doing. I'm just going to add a little bit of water. And you normally do an exfoliating scrub in circular motions. And as you can see here, as you're doing it, it's also going to bubble up because we have the foaming bath whip. So you're getting both the exfoliating, but you're also getting the washing too. So it is like a soap foaming sugar scrub. I really hope you enjoy the video. I hope you enjoy making and using your foaming sugar scrub as much as I did. If you haven't done so already, be sure you hit the like and subscribe button down below. Also, if you go to summerrain.website, there is a printable recipe for you on there, and I put the full recipe down in the description box below.